Google has officially launched Gemini 3 Deep Think, an AI model designed to tackle problems so tricky they leave the smartest machines behind and humans scratching their heads. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. The new model, which is available only to elite subscribers of the Google AI Ultra plan, promises to take AI reasoning to an entirely new level. Google revealed the AI in a blog post with its record-breaking performance on humanity's last exam, where it scored a shocking 41% without any tools, the highest ever on the test. Gemini 3 Deep Think isn't just another chatbot. It uses a cutting-edge method called parallel reasoning, explores multiple solution paths at once rather than relying on a single chain of thought. This allows it to refine its answers through multiple rounds of evaluation for better solutions for complex problems in math, science, and logic. Google said this new mode delivers a meaningful improvement in reasoning capabilities designed to tackle problems that challenge even the most advanced state-of-the-art models, hinting AI could change how we approach complicated tasks. For now, the ultra-powerful Gemini 3 Deep Think is limited to a small group of paying subscribers. Users on the Google AI Ultra plan can access it via the Gemini website or app by selecting Deep Think in the prompt bar and choosing Gemini 3 Pro in the model picker. People are guessing what this new AI powerhouse can do and whether it's just a sneak peek at the next era of artificial intelligence. With Gemini 3 Deep Think, Google is showing the world that AI isn't just getting smarter, it's thinking in ways we've never imagined. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.